Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do my curry aloo and channa. We're going to season it first and then cook it. There's no real marinating time, but I like to season my aloo and potato first and then curry it. So we're going to add our channa, onions, Chadon Beni, Chive, mustard oil, of course our hot pepper, thyme, pimento, salt to taste. You can always add more salt as we're cooking. Black pepper, Geera powder, and curry powder. And I like to add a little bay leaf. We're going to mix and then we're going to curry. So now we're going to curry our aloo and channa. We're going to start with patching a little Geera seeds first. Right? One of the reasons for patching the Geera seeds is one, to bring out the flavor of the Geera seeds and to take away from that graininess when cooking with whole Geera seeds. So we allow it to patch a little bit before we add our oil, whole garlic, pimento, onion, and our hydrated curry powder mix. I like to hydrate my curry powder a little bit. This is to both help to take away from the graininess of the curry powder and also the cooking time of the curry powder itself. Dehydrating it, I just add a little water to the curry powder and mix. Right, now we're going to add some oil. Our garlic cloves. Allow the garlic to just caramelize a little bit to bring out that nice garlic flavor. Add some onions. Pimento. And then our curry mix. Let the curry mix cook a little bit first before you add our aloo and channa. You're going to wait till the curry powder starts to stick to the bottom of the pot, and then we add a little water. Alright, let the curry cook a little bit. Right, now we add our aloo and channa. Some water. Stir. Probably add a little more water. Nice. We cover and allow it to cook.